Jai Shri Ram for every student. Dear student, till now we have solved 13 questions of exercise 7.1. Today we will find out the solution to the next questions of exercise 7.1. Question number 14. Prove that 1 minus tan square alpha upon cot square alpha minus 1 equal tan square alpha. At first we take left hand side. In left hand side 1 minus tan square alpha upon cot square alpha minus 1. Denominator change. Cot square alpha minus 1. Cot alpha is reciprocal of tan alpha. So cot square alpha can be written as 1 upon tan square alpha minus 1. So LHS 1 minus tan square alpha upon 1 minus tan square alpha minus 1. On solving we find 1 minus tan square alpha. On taking LCM tan square alpha. 1 minus tan square alpha upon tan square alpha equal 1 minus tan square alpha upon 1 cross tan square alpha upon 1 minus tan square alpha. 3 terms, first, second, third, change in double terms. So we find tan square alpha equal right hand side. Method second. Solution we have left hand side. 1 minus tan square alpha upon cot square alpha minus 1. Tan alpha and cot alpha interchange in sin and cos. Tan alpha equal sin alpha upon cos alpha. Cot alpha cos alpha upon sin alpha is equal 1 minus tan square alpha means sin square alpha upon cos square alpha. Cot square alpha means cos square alpha upon sin square alpha minus 1. On solving we find equal cos square alpha minus sin square alpha upon cos square alpha. Cos square alpha minus sin square alpha upon sin square alpha. On solving we get cos square alpha minus sin square alpha upon cos square alpha cross sin square alpha upon cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. Here cos square alpha minus sin square alpha cancel. So sin square alpha upon cos square alpha. Sin square alpha upon cos square alpha tan square alpha equal right hand side, hence proved. Question number 15th. Prove that sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta equal 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. Solution we have left hand side. Left hand side sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta. On multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos theta, then we get sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta cross 1 plus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. On solving we get sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, x minus y, x plus y equal x square minus y square form. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos square theta. We know that 1 minus cos square theta equal sin square theta. So here 1 minus cos square theta, sin square theta. Sin theta into 1 plus cos theta upon sin square theta. Sin theta sin square theta cancel. Sin theta remain. So 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta equal right hand side. Question number 16. Prove that sin raised 6 theta plus cos raised 6 theta equal 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Solution we have left hand side equal sin raised 6 theta plus cos raised 6 theta sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta whole square minus sin square theta cos square theta plus cos square theta whole square, because given expression in a cube plus b cube form and there factorize a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. A plus b means sin square theta plus cos square. A square means sin square theta whole square. minus a means sin square theta, b means cos square theta, plus b square means cos square theta whole square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is an identity and its value 1. Sin square theta whole square means sin raised 4 theta minus sin square theta cos square theta plus cos raised 4 theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. Sin raised 4 theta plus cos raised 4 theta minus sin square theta cos square theta. To making perfect square, here to making perfect square, adding and subtracting minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, adding 2 sin square theta cos square theta, subtracting minus 2 sin square theta cos square, to making perfect square. So sin raised 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta cos square theta plus cos raised 4 theta is perfect square. Perfect square expression sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta minus sin square theta cos square theta minus 3 sin square theta cos square. It is an identity, its value 1, minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta, hence proved. 17. Prove that tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta equal 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta. There are two methods here. Method first, we have left hand side tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Cot theta interchange in tan theta, because cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So tan theta equal upon 1 minus cot theta 1 upon tan theta plus cot theta 1 upon tan theta 1 minus tan theta. On solving we find tan theta, taking LCM tan theta minus 1 upon tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta cross 1 upon 1 minus tan theta. On solving we find tan theta upon 1 cross tan theta upon tan theta minus 1 minus 1 upon tan theta and tan theta minus 1. Tan theta cross tan theta tan square theta upon tan theta minus 1 minus 1 upon tan theta minus 1. Taking LCM tan theta minus 1. So tan square theta into tan cube theta minus 1. This expression in a AQ minus BQ form. There factorize a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. So tan cube theta minus 1 tan theta minus 1. First factorize. Second factorize tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1 a minus b a square plus ab plus b square upon tan theta and tan theta minus 1. Tan theta minus 1 tan theta minus 1 cancel. Tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta. Separate tan square theta upon tan theta tan theta. Tan theta upon tan theta 1 1 upon tan theta cot theta equal tan theta plus cot theta plus 1 equal right hand side, hence proved. Method second. Solution, we have left hand side tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Here tan theta and cot theta interchange in sin theta cos theta. So we find tan theta sin theta upon cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta plus cot theta cos theta upon sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta, taking LCM sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta, taking LCM cos theta. So cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. Four terms 1, 2, 3, 4. Change in double terms sin theta upon cos theta cross sin theta upon sin theta minus cos theta. Whole terms 1, 2, 3, 4. Interchange in two terms cos theta upon sin theta cross cos theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Now on solving we find sin square theta upon cos theta sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta cos theta minus sin theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. Here cos theta minus sin theta. So change in sin theta minus cos theta. Minus common. Minus plus minus. Again here sin theta minus cos theta. And here cos theta minus sin theta. So change in cos theta minus sin theta. Change in sin theta minus cos theta. Here minus common. Sin theta minus cos theta. Minus plus minus. Sin square theta upon cos theta sin theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta upon sin theta minus cos theta. Taking LCM, sin theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta, sin square theta into sin theta sin cube theta, cos square theta into cos theta cos cube theta. It is in form of a cube minus b cube and its factorize a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. A minus b, here a sin theta minus b cos theta. A square means sin square theta plus ab sin theta cos theta plus b square means cos square theta upon sin theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta sin theta minus cos theta cancel. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Yes, sin square theta upon sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta sin theta cos theta. Separate. Sin square theta upon sin theta cos theta, sin cancel, sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta means 1. Cos theta cancel, so cos theta upon sin theta remain. Tan theta plus 1 plus cot theta equal 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta equal right hand side, hence root. 18 number. Prove that sin theta into 1 plus tan theta plus cos theta into 1 plus cot theta equal cosec theta plus sec theta. At first we take left hand side. Left hand side equals sin theta into 1 plus tan theta plus cos theta into 1 plus cot theta. Tan theta and cot theta interchange sin cos. So sin theta into 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. Solve it. On multiplying sin theta plus sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta plus cos theta plus sin square theta cos theta plus cos square theta sin theta plus cos theta. Taking LCM sin theta cos theta, so sin cube theta plus cos cube theta. It is form in a cube plus b cube form. A plus b sin theta plus cos theta. A square minus ab plus b square form. Sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta plus cos square. Here sin theta plus cos theta. Here sin theta plus cos theta. Taking common sin theta plus cos theta. In first term 1 remain plus sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. On solving we find sin theta plus cos theta. Taking LCM sin theta cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is an identity. Its value 1 minus sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta cancel, remain 1 upon sin theta cos theta. Separate sin theta upon sin theta cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cancel 1 upon cos theta. Cos theta cancel 1 upon sin theta. Equal sec theta 1 upon cos theta because cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta. Sin theta is reciprocal of cosec theta. So 1 upon cos theta sec theta plus 1 upon sin theta cosec theta equal cosec theta plus sec theta equal right hand side, hence proved. Method second. We have solution left hand side sin theta 1 plus tan theta plus cos theta 1 plus cos theta cot theta. Only second term cot theta interchange in tan. Cot theta interchange in tan theta. is equal sin theta into 1 plus tan theta plus cos theta. 1 plus cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So cot theta equal 1 upon tan theta. Now LHS equals sin theta into 1 plus tan theta plus cos theta, taking LCM tan theta, 1 plus tan theta upon tan theta. Two terms, first term, second term. Each term has 1 plus tan theta. So 1 plus tan theta common. 1 plus tan theta common. Sin theta remain first part. The second part cos theta upon tan theta. 1 plus tan theta sin theta cos theta tan theta sin theta upon cos theta. Solve it. 1 plus tan theta into sin theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta. Sin theta LCM sin square theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is an identity. Its value 1. 1 plus tan theta upon 1 upon sin theta. Separate it. 1 upon sin theta plus tan theta upon sin theta. 1 upon sin theta cosec theta. Tan theta sin theta upon cos theta upon sin theta. On solving we find 1 upon cos theta. Cosec theta plus 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta sec theta, because cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta. Equal right hand side, hence proved. 19. Prove that sin square theta into cos theta plus tan theta sin theta plus cos cube theta equals sec theta. There are two methods. Method first. Solution we have left hand side sin square cos theta plus tan theta sin theta plus cos cube theta. First term, third term. First term sin square theta cos theta plus cos cube theta plus tan theta sin theta. Cos theta common. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus tan theta sin theta. It is an identity. Its value 1. Cos theta into 1 plus tan theta sin theta. Tan theta interchange in sin theta cos theta is equal cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta into sin theta equal cos theta plus sin square theta upon cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta cos square theta plus sin square theta upon cos theta. It is an identity. Its value 1. 1 upon cos theta equal sec theta equal right hand side, hence proved. Method second solution we have sin square theta cos theta plus tan theta sin theta plus cos cube theta. Sin square theta cos theta plus cos cube theta plus tan theta sin theta. Sin square theta cos theta plus cos square theta cos theta. Cos cube theta can be written as cos square theta dot cos theta. Tan theta interchange in sin theta cos theta dot sin theta. Value of cos square theta in terms of sin theta. Cos square theta equal 1 minus sin square theta. Sin square theta cos theta plus 1 minus sin square theta into cos theta plus sin square theta cos square theta. On multiplying we find sin square theta cos theta plus cos theta minus sin square theta cos theta plus sin square theta cos theta. Here sin square theta cos theta minus sin square theta cos theta cancel. So remain cos theta plus sin square theta upon cos theta, taking LCM cos theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is an identity. Its value 1. Its value 1. 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta equal sec theta equal right hand side, hence proved. Jai Shri Ram by L. Kasana. Thank you.